Did you know some channels are making over $40,000 a month with a type of video you probably haven't even seen yet? And they're doing it without ever filming a thing. They're blowing up on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, racking up millions of views. And here's the crazy part, most people watching have no idea they're looking at AI. They think a real crew filmed it all. For 3 weeks, I went deep, studying how their scenes are structured, how the visuals stay consistent, and why every video follows the same repeatable format. I uncovered the exact AI workflow they're using to turn empty concrete into luxury penthouses. In this video, I'm exposing their entire system. First, head to the Google Doc link below and open Channel Analysis. Copy the image of a successful channel and the structured prompt. Go to ChatGPT, paste the image, then paste the prompt. What you've just unlocked is an unfair advantage. This turns ChatGPT into a YouTube growth strategist. It breaks down the emotional hooks, the video structure that keeps people watching, and the pacing that builds anticipation. It even analyzes thumbnail psychology and decodes how titles create curiosity. 99% of people skip this research. Don't be one of them. Next, we create the channel's identity. Back in the Google Doc, find the channel name generator prompt and copy it. Paste it into ChatGPT. But before you hit generate, scroll down and set how many names you want. I'm choosing 20. This prompt doesn't just guess what sounds cool, it builds a brand. It forces the AI to think like a professional branding agency, using memory science and word rhythm to create names that are easy to remember and sound established from day one. Now, let's design the actual content. Find the content idea generator in the doc, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. Change the number of ideas you want. I'm setting mine to 20. This isn't about replacing creativity, it's about speeding it up. It generates titles using proven formats like curiosity gaps and visual promises, such as from ruin to unreal. Every idea follows the same winning structure: empty space to building process to luxury reveal. You're building a content machine. With a title chosen, we create the visual blueprint. Find the scene generator prompt, paste it into ChatGPT. Add your video title. I transformed an empty rooftop into a luxury sky lounge, and set the number of scenes. I'm choosing 4. This forces the AI to think like a film director, breaking the transformation into clear stages: empty space, preparation, construction, and the final reveal. This step is critical for making your visuals look like a real, continuous transformation, not a set of random images. Now for the part everyone's been waiting for: turning ideas into visuals. Copy the image and video prompt generator from the doc. Paste it into ChatGPT. Here is a crucial step. Paste your numbered scenes from the previous step where it says paste the full numbered scene list, not the video title. Hit generate. Subscribe to this video if you are seeing me for the first time. The AI will now convert your scenes into photorealistic image prompts and cinematic animation prompts, giving it a clear production blueprint. Let's generate the images. Copy the first image prompt and open an AI image generator like Midjourney or Whisk AI. Paste the prompt. Choose your aspect ratio 16:9 for YouTube and generate. This first image is your foundation. For the second image, first select the image you just made. This tells the AI to use it as a visual reference. Now, paste the second prompt and generate. See? Same rooftop, same camera angle, but now we see progress. This creates visual continuity. Repeat this for all your scenes, always using the previous image as a reference. Time to bring it to life. We'll turn these still images into cinematic video clips. In the doc, copy the image to video animation prompt for your first transition. Open an AI video tool like Runway or Pika Labs. Upload your first 2 images, paste the prompt, and generate. This prompt directs the AI to keep the camera fixed and show realistic progress, making the motion look like a documentary, not a cheap effect. Repeat this process for all your scenes. Let's edit. Open CapCut and import all your video clips. Drag them to the timeline in order. Trim any slow moments at the start or end of each clip to keep the pacing tight. Add simple crossfade transitions for a smooth, cinematic flow. To remove any watermarks, select all clips. Create a compound clip, and then scale it up slightly for a professional finish. Add an adjustment layer and tweak the brightness and contrast. Finally, music. Go to the YouTube audio library and find a track that fits the mood. I'm using something calm and cinematic. Add it to your timeline. Lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the visuals. And export. You've just created a stunning, high-quality transformation video. You now have the complete system. The AI does the heavy lifting. You provide the creative direction. Now, go start building. Thanks for watching, and always hit the subscribe button, Digital Motion Wealth, so you will be notified whenever video like this is posted.